What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the Frequent Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well, man. Now, let's get right into it, man. Y'all seen the title, thumbnail, all that good stuff, man. I got a bunch of good videos loaded up for y'all, man. But we're going to start with this one of the most highly anticipated releases of the year. All-Star Weekend went crazy, to say the least. And all of these next, like 5, 6, 7 videos are from All-Star Weekend, man. So let's start with this first one. I've been wanting these since they first dropped, man. They went crazy on the initial release, and I can honestly say this is one of the first like retros of that era that has got the honest like just due, and everybody went crazy again, but they made them a little more available. Y'all see the box? Y'all can already tell what these is. They went crazy on the box with these joints, man. They got the Galaxy print on the box. Tag on this joint reads Nike Air Foamposite 1 Quick Strike, Obsidian, Anthracite, and Black, size 12, personal size. They got the Nike and the Galaxy as well. Galaxy going across the top of the box. Galaxy on this side. Y'all know what these are. Let's check them out. Let's see if y'all are excited about these, just like I am. Couldn't wait to have these joints. Getting to the inside of the box, man, they went with the Galaxy print on the paper as well, man. Full Galaxy theme with these. I never had the original pair, so I'm not sure if they went Galaxy on the packaging back then. I'm pretty sure those came like the regular brown Nike Foamposite box, so I'm not sure about the Galaxy paper. I'm not sure if this is a new thing or what, but I got these, so my pair got Galaxy. I ain't worried about the old pair. I ain't had it. I ain't had the money for it back then. I wasn't trading cards and stuff like that like you seen on Craigslist, but I waited my turn. I got grown-up money now. I can buy what I want, so let's check these joints out. Now, here we have the Nike Air Foamposite 1 Galaxy, man. 2025 pair. Basically the same thing, slight differences, but close enough for me, man. I never had the original, so let's check these joints out, man. Let's get into it. Starting with the front of this shoe, man, it comes in a Foamposite upper all the way across the toe, all the way around the shoe. It's the same material, but with the nice Galaxy print on there. You can see it has like the stars and, you know, the typical Galaxy print. I've never seen it in person, of course, but this is what we would assume Galaxy looks like. Galaxy print going all the way around the side of the shoe. On the back of the shoe, same thing. Galaxy print has that 1 cent penny logo on the back with like some silver stitching. Just to contrast that black, maybe like a dark gray, like anthracite color. Getting to the inside of the shoe, man, it has the same Foamposite material, of course. The Foamposite is like a one-piece upper shoe, but it has the Galaxy print going all the way around there. Now, getting to the top of the shoe, man, it has the nubuck going all the way around all of the lace holes, man. Nubuck all the way across that upper. Has a mesh tongue with the silver stitching going up the tongue. Has the 1 cent logo here on the tongue as well within the bubble. Nice touch there, man. Just like regular Foamposite overall, but a super dope colorway. Has your pull tab, of course, with the gray lines going through it. Same thing on the back. Has the mesh going across the tongue, mesh going across the back of the pull tab here, man. Now, as I was saying, man, I can't really go into too much details about the shoe because there aren't really any crazy like shoe features. It's just a regular Foamposite, man. Same material. I'm going all the way around the shoe. Nothing special on the materials. It's a Foamposite, but it's a super dope print. This is one of the shoes that really turned like the resale game like really crazy, man. This one is like one of the original hype sneakers. It released All-Star 2012 in that prime of Nike basketball when KD's, LeBron's, and Kobe's were the height of sneaker culture all the way around. This Foamposite was right there as well. This is when Nike basketball, even though they're the same company, this is when Nike basketball was really giving Jordan Brand a run for their money. This was like a really, really good time for Nike basketball. And this Foamposite is probably one of the best, most iconic sneakers in Nike basketball history. Now, did Penny wear this shoe? Of course not. It's 2012. Penny was done playing at the time, but this shoe, culture-wise and looks-wise, man, this is like one of the best shoes of all time, man. Now, on the inside of this sock liner, man, all black on the inside, and on the insole, it's all navy. Then it has like the Nike with the space logo on the inside, and I'll drop a picture of the insole here. I don't want to rip these joints out, but these joints come factory installed with all black laces. Nothing special on the laces. Black regular, like the rope style Foamposite laces. And on the outsole, man, you get the black traction on the outsole, but you get the translucent around the edge. And this does glow in the dark like a bright green. I'll see if I can get it to charge with my lights. It probably won't show the actual glow, but this does glow light green, and I'll drop a picture here of the glow, man. You feel me? It's a Nike Foamposite Galaxy, man. If you can't tell, I'm just super excited. I've been waiting to grab these joints for a while. I thought about buying them on resale a couple of years back, but thinking back on it, man, I'm glad I waited for it, and I'm glad I got a fresh, brand new pair. Don't have to worry about any, soles coming off or no glue coming apart, anything like that when you're dealing with the old shoe from 2012. It's a 13-year-old shoe, pretty much to the date of All-Star Weekend. So super happy I waited. Got a 2025 pair. I actually grabbed 2 pairs. I may keep both. I don't know yet. I can't really decide just yet. I'm not sure if it's just that old school nostalgia of when I missed out making me want to keep both. No, I'm not gonna wear them just like that, like crazy, but I got 1 pair for sure, and I'm happy to have these joints. But leave me a quick comment down below and let me know how you feeling about these joints so far. Let's get into this right shoe, man. Now getting into that right shoe, man, just the same as the left. Galaxy print going all the way across the toe, of course. Galaxy going all the way around the shoe, regular Foamposite material. Going all the way around, man. Same Foamposite material, the most indestructible shoe. You can wear these joints all day, all night, and they're pretty much still gonna look good. Now, I'm not sure if this Galaxy print will like scuff up like we've seen like on some of the chrome posits and things like that. Now that I'm not very sure of, but if this paint pattern stays, you probably can wear these joints just like I do like my copper foams and like any other old school Royal foams and things like that. You can wear those all day, all night, and you can never really truly mess those joints. So you may get a scuff or two, but overall it'll still look good. It's like one of the original shoes that you can like beat up, wear, and nothing will really ever happen to it. Now as far as extras, man, it does come with the keychain, man, remove before flight. And this Nike logo is the same Nike logo that's on the insoles of the shoe. The insole is all navy and it has this logo. So, just so you can get a better view of it, I didn't want to pull the insole out, but this logo is the same one that's on the insole of the shoe. All black on the inside, man. Navy on the insoles, man. Black laces, nubuck going all the way around. Has that iconic Nike mini swoosh that all Foamposites pretty much have, man. 1 cent logo on the back. I'm just excited, bro. If you're not excited about these, maybe you had them already, maybe you're just not a Foamposite guy. Maybe this is not a shoe that you wanted back then, but everybody that I know that wanted this shoe is definitely going after it again. Whether they had it and want a new pair or they missed out on it like myself and they're trying to make up for lost time, man, we got them again 2025. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, man, I was able to grab these joints for retail. I think retail was $230 on these, and I was able to grab them at All-Star Weekend, man, so shout out to Better Generation. I grabbed these joints from our local Houston store, Better Generation. They did a pop-up out in San Francisco for All-Star, which is really dope. I don't really see stores travel like that to do pop-ups, but they rented out a dope space on a pier. Had plenty of stuff going on with Nesquik, had a whole basketball court, watch party for all the games and All-Star events. So shout out to the guys at Better Generation, Brandon, KJ, PJ Tucker, of course, man. Y'all really did y'all thing with this release as a whole. Now, technically, this is an early pair, man. They released All-Star Weekend in San Francisco on February 14th, 15th, 16th that weekend. He's technically released on the 15th. Now, if you were in San Francisco, you did the raffles here, Foot Locker, Dark Side Initiative, Better Generation, Nike Sneakers Pass. If you were in the area and you attempted to get these joints in any way, form, or fashion, you probably got them. You probably got multiple at that. There were plenty of pairs in the city for All-Star Weekend. Now, this is still labeled a quick strike, so I'm pretty sure the very majority bulk of the orders were in San Francisco. Now, I'm pretty sure Nike will have a good little number on sneakers. A lot of the boutiques will have pairs, but I'm not sure how many. So do your footwork. Do your raffles for these joints, man, because I think there's going to be hard to get outside of that San Francisco area. It's still a highly coveted shoe. So if you want them, definitely do your footwork and don't, slack off, man. If you want them, go get them. This is one of those pairs, and I think everybody really wants these joints, man. This is like bringing back that real Foamposite hype. And like I said, man, pricing was $230 on these. I think it was like $250 out the door with tax out there in San Francisco. And resale is like $450-ish, like pretty much for all sizes, that $400 to $480 range in all sizes. So this is like one of the first Foamposites to resell like that in a while. Of course, with it being Galaxy, of course, with it being a quick strike, All-Star, with all the factors that play into this shoe, the resale is there. So I would definitely try to get these joints for retail. It's already an expensive shoe on retail side at $230, $250 with tax. So if you can get it for 300 or less, by all means, go all out and get it. But if you're like me, man, I was paying reselling these joints if I didn't get them, if I didn't happen to go to All-Star weekend. So my budget was gonna be like 400 to 450, but luckily I was able to get 2 pairs for that price while paying the retail price, man. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're willing to spend on these, where you're looking to get them from. Are you waiting for sneakers? Are you doing your local raffles, man? Leave a comment down below. And just let me know what your plan are for grabbing these Galaxy foams. Now, as far as quality and quality control, man, it's a general Foamposite, the most durable shoe pretty much ever, in my opinion. They did really good on the Galaxy print. I did see a lot of people complaining about the dark toe on there. They didn't really add any Galaxy-ish to that very front toe of the shoe. That doesn't bother me much, as I'm not like super picky about it. I wouldn't even notice if people didn't start like posting about it. So I can't really just jump on the bandwagon and complain. I'm still happy with the shoe. But I will post a picture here side by side so I can show y'all what people are saying about the original toe. I guess I can understand where they're coming from, but it doesn't matter to me, absolutely not. The quality is there, still the same shoe, the really dope packaging with the box and the paper. But I think we got a good one with these, where everything included. I think this is a hit for sure. The streets, as of now, are making it seem like they're gonna make these joints sell out. People are going crazy over them at All-Star weekend, entering every raffle, going to every like first come, first serve ish release, like with leftovers and things like that. So can't go wrong with these. But overall, man, it's gonna wrap it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing review of this Nike Foamposite 1 Quick Strike in 2025, man. All-Star special Galaxy Foamposite, man. A lot of people are calling this the shoe of the year. And I'm not really mad at it. I'm not mad at it. This is a super duper iconic shoe. And for it to come back and have like that resale, that hit the streets, that camp out, like vibe with them, I can honestly agree with it, and I'm happy to have these joints, man. Y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these, man. Is it a drop? Is it a cop? Are you dripping, flipping, skipping? Let me know. Leave me an honest opinion, man. But like I said, man, it's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time, on the next video, I finally got my personal pair of the Nike Air Foamposite 1, the Galaxies, my babies, man. Good luck if you're going out there to grab them this weekend. Definitely be safe. Leave me a comment down below when you get them and how you got them, man. Peace.